6:21 p.m. Tuesday, September 30th. The San Hills Police Department has issued an ad alert for a child abduction that occurred at San Hills, Missouri on September 20th, 2025 at 4:46 p.m. Abducted was Salem Shaw, white, F.E., age 2. Suspect vehicle is a 2016 Chevrolet Cruze van, -4 Durban, Missouri registration GR1, C0H. Vehicle/suspect last seen east Balvin, Missouri 30 from Interstate 270. Suspect is Jacob Robert Putman, or white, male, 30, 5 feet 10 inches tall, 160 pounds, and has blue eyes. Last seen wearing unknown clothing. Suspect has multiple facial and neck tattoos. Victim Zaylen Sharp. Last seen wearing a clothing description. Suspect approached the mother of the victim asking for assistance with jump-starting his vehicle, then took the mother's vehicle with child still in the back seat. Alert issued for Troops area. Please call 911 or San Hills Police Department at 3-1